If you're considering buying Velory, there are a few things you need to know first before making that decision. This software promises a lot, but is it the right fit for your business needs? Stick around to learn 7 key points that will help you make an informed choice. Plus, if you're still unsure, you can try Velory for free by clicking the first link in the description below, which will also give you exclusive benefits. First off, Velory's ease of use is one of the main reasons people switch to it. If you've tried other tools in the market like HubSpot or Salesforce, you know that some of them can have steep learning curves. With Velory, the interface is intuitive and designed for both beginners and more experienced users. The setup process is quick, and you won't find yourself spending hours trying to figure things out. This is a massive advantage for small businesses or startups that need to hit the ground running without a complex training period. Next thing to know is its automation capabilities. Unlike many competitors that offer automation, but in a limited way, Velory takes it a step further by allowing highly customized workflows. Whether it's automating your email campaigns, lead scoring, or follow-up tasks, Velory gives you the control to automate almost every part of your marketing and sales process. This helps you save time while still driving personalized interactions with your customers, which is something many competitors like ActiveCampaign don't handle as smoothly. The third thing is its pricing. Velory offers tiered pricing, which makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. While some software, like HubSpot or Salesforce, can get really expensive as you scale, Velory keeps its pricing flexible. This is great for businesses that are looking to get a powerful tool without breaking the bank. The fact that you can try Velory for free is also a major plus. You can test all the features before you commit to anything, making it a low-risk investment. The fourth thing to consider is the integration capabilities. If you're using tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, or QuickBooks, you'll be glad to know that Velory integrates with a wide range of popular applications. Some CRM software has limited integrations, which can lead to a disjointed workflow. Velory, on the other hand, makes sure that all your essential tools sync seamlessly, meaning you don't have to juggle multiple platforms to keep your business running smoothly. Next, let's talk about customer support. This is often a point of frustration with other software providers, slow response times or inadequate support. With Velory, the customer support team is known for being responsive and helpful. Whether you're in need of technical support or just have a simple question, they're quick to help you out. This level of support can be a game changer, especially if you run into any issues while using the software. The sixth thing to know is the analytics and reporting features. Velory's reporting tools are robust and customizable, offering deep insights into your marketing and sales efforts. You can track campaign performance, monitor sales pipelines, and measure customer engagement, all in real time. This is something that's often lacking in other platforms, where the reporting can feel either too generic or not detailed enough. If you're serious about optimizing your campaigns and improving your ROI, Velory has the tools to back that up. And finally, it's important to understand Velory's focus on scalability. If your business is growing and you need a solution that can scale with you, Velory has built-in features to help you expand. As you add more users or increase the complexity of your workflows, Velory can grow with you without you having to switch to a different platform down the line. This is an advantage over some competitors that may not be able to scale as effectively, forcing you to migrate to a new system as your business matures. So there you have it, 7 things you need to know before buying Velory. It's a solid platform for businesses looking for ease of use, automation, integrations, and support, all at a reasonable price. If you want to try out Velory for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your business with one of the best tools available today.